Good day everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create thumbnail from your video in Camtasia. For instance, I have this video. If I want to create thumbnail from any part or portion of this video in Camtasia, let me show you how to do it. To do that, once you have loaded your video to your timeline, just move the timeline to the portion of the video where you want to create the thumbnail. For example, I prefer this portion of the video. I want to create thumbnail from this portion of the video. Once it has been displayed like this, what to do is to come to your keyboard and press Ctrl F. Once you press Ctrl F, it will prompt you to save that very frame as thumbnail. So I want to save it here. Let me just call it gold for instance, and then I'll choose the format. Let me leave it at PNG and click on save. So let's go to that very folder. If I go to that folder, here is the folder and I save it as gold. Here is it. So if I double click to open it, and here is it. You can see the thumbnail is very clear. So this is how to create thumbnail from any portion of your video in Camtasia. Thank you for watching.